Okay guys, okay. What is up my dudes and welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I made a video. I made one last week. I didn't really preface it with why I was gone for so long. I just had a lot of things going on in my life that were kind of adding up and piling up, and I just really needed to take a break from everything for a little bit, especially YouTube. But I am back. This video is going to be a day late, a day or two late actually, just because today is Tuesday. I usually upload on Tuesdays when I'm not on an erratic schedule. But today, guys, I have a get ready with me. I'm going to a Logic concert tonight, and I wanted to show you guys my process of getting ready. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to show you a little bit, a sneak peek into how I'm going to get ready for this concert, especially since it is basically all night. And we're going to be out for a majority of the night. I wanted to show you guys how I kind of do my makeup and my hair so that it will look good and look okay at least, even though concerts kind of make you rough and like sweaty looking, how it'll at least last or kind of stay looking good through the night. So I'm just gonna start with how I start off, which is taking a shower. So let's get right into it, guys. Okay guys, so before I go into the shower and like do all of that stuff, I'll just let you guys know what I'm going to be like using specifically for my hair, because I did get it bleached again. So if you can tell, there are some like really light pieces. It's starting to look a little bit brassy just for my taste, and if I'm like going out or doing something, I like to like look good, feel good, like fresh hair, blah blah blah, whatever. So the shampoo I use is Shimmer Lights shampoo in Blonde and Silver. This stuff is so good. It basically tones all of the brass and the yellows out of your hair and just makes like blonde hair turn kind of this like nice silvery whitish color. So like the longer you have it in your hair in the shower, the more it's going to like take out and lighten your hair. So like all of the light pieces are going to be like extremely bright once I get out of the shower. And then I'm just going to wash my face with the Biore charcoal face wash. This stuff is super intense. It's a little intense for my skin, so I usually use the Clinique daily face wash. It's not like the foaming one, it's just like a normal like gel, I don't know, but I usually use a Clinique face wash, but this one I'm going to use just to intensely clean my skin before I basically go out all night and like have my skin like full of makeup and stuff like that. And then after that I tone, and I just use witch hazel. I put it on a cotton ball and I just tone my face. And I don't know if I do that out of order. I might tone my face after I do my face mask. I usually do a face mask just to get my skin really clean before I do anything, especially if I want like my makeup to last longer. I usually really like to prep it and get it ready. Plus I'm just like being extra today because I feel like being extra today. So I'm going to be using the Studio 35 Beauty Facial Clay Mask in Avocado and Oatmeal. It clears pores and polishes skin. So I love this stuff. It's super duper thick and like green, and it's basically just like your normal clay face mask. It dries and then you just wash it off. But every time I use this, I feel my skin feels really clean, and it looks really great. And I feel like it does polish the skin a lot. So I'm just going to be using this after I wash my face and get out of the shower. And I just want to like tell people about this because I think this is so fun, because I know that Lush has been making shower jelly or like whatever that is, but Bath and Body Works actually has shower jelly too, and I bought this when they had their semi-annual sale, so I got this for like $3, but it's the Smell Liquid Sunshine, but like it's literally like jello, which is like super weird. Like, then I just like roll it back in. Like, it's kind of cool. It's pretty cool. It smells really good. And basically all you do is just like stick your fingers in and like take like a little bit, rub it in your hands, and then you just like wash your body with it. Since my hair is super damaged, I thought I would also just let you guys know something that I use to help repair the ends so that they aren't absolutely fried. I use the KMS Moist Repair Revival Cream. It's basically just like a leave-in conditioner. So I use like a nickel size amount on my fingers, and I just rub it into the ends and a little bit up. And then I just leave that in like in damp hair, and basically just go on with your day. Okay guys, so I'll see you in a second. Welcome back. I just showered. As you can tell, my hair does look a lot lighter and a lot more like white. Once it gets fully dry, it's going to be a lot lighter. Hold on, I look super weird. I'm so sorry for the noise in the background. We're just going to try to ignore my mom cleaning her car out. I just washed my hair, I brushed it out, and I put both of the deep conditioners in. I washed my face, and I am about to put on my face mask. So let's do that, and let's put some music back on. Now guys, once I have my face mask on, I'm just going to wait like 20 minutes until it dries. I look absolutely frightening. And then I'm just going to wash it off super quick. So yeah, that's about it. Alright, so face mask is off, my toner is on. I decided to do it after my face mask because it just made obviously more sense. And then I'm going to put on my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. I love this stuff. I literally put like one pump on my finger and I put that all over my face. Just because it is so moisturizing. I have oily combination skin, so this helps a lot, especially with the dry patches, especially during the summer, because I get a lot of bad dry patches, specifically from acne alone. And then I am actually going to fill in my eyelashes right now. I do my own eyelash extensions. If you guys want to see that video, comment down below. If you do, but I'm just going to do that off camera just because it's a tedious task, and it does take a hot minute to do, 5 to 10 minutes to really do. But I am just going to fill in my lashes now, and I'll be back in a second. So guys, I just finished filling in my eyelashes, and they're looking pretty good right now. And then I just did a few little things, like I kind of fixed my eyebrows a little bit, I shaped them a little, plucked a few brow hairs that were just not in place, and then I also went and I took my face razor and I razored some of my little baby hairs off so that my makeup application goes on a little better. I'm sorry if I look in this way, just because my viewfinder is over here and for some reason my camera keeps going out of focus. I've actually recorded a few videos, and then when I go back and I try to edit them, I realize that a good 3/4 of them are all out of focus. So I'm sorry if I keep looking over here. I'm just really trying to make sure that it stays in focus. And then now I'm just going to do my makeup and then try to figure out what I'm doing with my hair situation. I'm going to include a lot of what I'm doing for my makeup. I'll probably just include a few like extra clips of it. I'm going to do a separate video on how I do the makeup that I'm going to be doing for tonight. It's going to be a long wear kind of summer bronzy look. I'm not really going for anything that looks like I have a whole bunch of makeup on. I'm gonna go for more of a like kind of natural full face of makeup type deal of it. I'm going to do a separate video on how I do the makeup that I'm going to be doing for tonight. It's going to be a long wear kind of summer bronzy look. I'll include some of my hair and then my outfit, and then that's basically going to be the end of the video, guys. Stuff like that. Two things that I've realized helped my skin a lot. I kind of have these like little red spots, as you guys can tell, just from acne. So it's been so hot here that my skin is just like screaming at me. Are this Physicians Formula Refresh Mint Cucumber and Bamboo Eye Depuffer. So basically it's just a stick. I think I've used this in multiple videos. I use this under my eyes, and then I started to realize that if I put it like under my eyes, down my jawline, and like in like the parts of my face that get kind of the most red, it actually tones it down a lot. The one thing that I realized helps so much is redness relief eye drops. These ones are from 7-Eleven, just because they're a lot cheaper. You can probably get ones that are a little bit like better, but I literally just drop this like on the areas that are really, really red, and I swear to you guys, this stuff works so well. Put it in the places that you really need it, and it helps so. I don't know how to explain to you guys. It's so awesome. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my face makeup. I probably inserted a few clips before this, but if you want to see this look, comment down below or give this video a big thumbs up, and I might upload it mattering on how the footage came out of me doing it. Going to figure out something to do with my hair. I don't know if I'm just going to leave it like straight like this or if I'm just gonna like wave it out or something. And I have my outfit on right now, so I'll just show you super quick since I'm already here. I have this black tube top, and then I have these black high-waisted pants from H&M. You can't really see my bottom half because I don't really, this is basically going to be it. And all I'm going to be wearing with this are just going to be my pair of checkered Vans. These are literally a staple in my closet. I wear them almost every single day. So guys, that is going to be it for my video today. Thank you dudes so much for coming to hang out with me. And like this video if you thought it was kind of interesting or you had some fun watching. Subscribe down below if you want to see more videos from me, and comment down below any other videos you guys want to see, including my nice makeup routine or even my DIY lash extensions. So my dudes, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.